So for the next letter F, a fantastic service to be covered is AWS Fargate. AWS Fargate basically simplifies for you to run your containers or to manage the containerization using AWS Fargate without managing the underlying infrastructure. Yes, that's AWS Fargate for you. Hi everyone, my name is Virender. I'm an AWS authorized instructor. In this today's video number 6 in our A to Z alphabetical AWS series, we will be talking about letter F and we'll talking about a service which is a very fantastic service, which is AWS Fargate. Ever imagine that you want to run your containers and you don't want to manage the underlying infrastructure as servers? Then don't worry about that. AWS Fargate will do it for you. Now, whether you are a DevOps enthusiast or you are a DevOps engineer and you love to run applications but you don't want to deal with the servers, right? Then AWS Fargate is a best service to choose. AWS Fargate will allows you to run your containerized applications without worrying about provisioning, configuring, and scaling of the underlying infrastructure because AWS Fargate is a serverless service. Let's talk about some key features of AWS Fargate. First is no infrastructure management. AWS Fargate is a serverless service and it is going to handle all the infrastructure management so that you can purely focus on your containers and on your application. It will provide you a robust security controls without any hassle because it can integrate with different AWS services like identity and access management and AWS CloudWatch. Third is the scalability. AWS Fargate is going to scale your containers based on demand so that you don't need to worry about the scaling part as well. Now, whether you are launching a new application or maybe you are currently running a global application in which traffic is growing too fast and you are worrying about the scaling of the servers and the underlying infrastructure management, AWS Fargate got your back because it's a serverless service. It will use the features of AWS auto scaling, which will automatically scale up or scale down your containers. It will also provision and manage your underlying infrastructure, so you don't need to worry about the manual interruption to manage the infrastructure. Thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Virender. I'm an AWS authorized instructor. We will meet in the next video with the next service. Till then, take care. Bye bye.